What's up, family? Market is down, but I want y'all to be buying. You see, every time my account pulls back hard to like 15,000 or so, I'm buying because that means stuff is down. I got a lift call, 2 lift calls for $30 for next year, the 16th. We got XRP. We got the usual suspects. But down here is where I really want y'all to see. I got BTCI, SPYI, and SCHG. Those are my income ETFs. And then I got Nvidia, Google, Amazon. I let Palantir go, took profits because it's really volatile and I'd rather have income. So I put BTCI in there and I put SPYI in there. And what that is that's an ETF of the S&P 500, but it's gonna pay you like 50 cents, right? BTCI gonna pay you about $1 or so, right? Check this out. Now this is my son's Roth. I sold ULTY to get into BTCI and to put SPYI in here once that sale registers. But I want y'all to look at something. Check this out. I got 1.83 shares and the dividend is 2.46. Y'all see that, right? So that thing is paying me $1 and some a share. So let's go look. It paid $1.34 per share, y'all. This is like old Misty days. But BTC stays kind of constant up there, so I'm kind of liking that. And then I like that $1 and something that is given every month. This is every month, y'all, right? Let me take y'all to another portfolio. My little baby's portfolio, right? This is my little Aries. She's growing. We got to get some more money in here. Things are down today. But let's see. Now look at this. I got BTCI, SPYI, I got gold, and then I got the S&P 500. Now, her portfolio is how I want a lot of y'all to look. You see what I'm saying? I want you to have SPLG, I want you to have SPYI, and BTCI. Right? My baby just wanted gold, so she like gold, so I got her some gold. Right? And we buying shares. But this is how I want y'all portfolio to look. I want you to have BTCI, SPLG, and SPYI. This is why. Right? Now, if you look, it says reported 1.34, and then the month before that was 1.41. Right? Now, it's going down. It's going down, but the thing about it is that if we can continue to pile in to these ETFs, then we can do really well. That one, BTCI pays $1 and something. SPYI, 52 cents, 51 cents, 52 cents, right? And this is every month, y'all. I want y'all to be taking advantage. And then SPLG pays you every quarter, right? So the next time it pays will be June, July, August, September, October. It'll pay in October. Coming up in October, SPLG will pay, and it's paying 21 cents per share. This is why I want you to buy SPLG. Because check something out. Let me show y'all something else. Let me get back into my Robinhood. Let me show y'all something. Now, if you look, the SPY, this is my son's portfolio. I'm working on it. He got about 1,200 in here, pulling back. If you look, let's look at the SPY. The SPY, I have a market value of $768, almost $800 in there. He's up 12%, right? And the dividend was $2.14, right? Amount per share, $1.83 per share, right? Now that's real important, and I want you to listen to me. This is giving $1.83 per share, so you should go into it, right? But I just told you I got $100 into this BTCI, right? And it paid me $2.46 a share. More than the SPY, y'all. More than the SPY. Not saying nothing about the SPY, because you need to have the SPY or SPLG. Because I would say by SPLG, you're going to get more bang for your buck from SPLG, right? Or if you split some, like let's say you go buy some of the SPY and you put some of it into here, then you can kind of do a duo tandem. And then if you add SPYI, right, you're going to have a triple threat. You see what I'm saying? So that's what we want to be at. I want y'all to be falling into SPLG. That's the S&P 500. I want y'all to fall into BTCI. That's an income ETF based off crypto and Bitcoin. And then I want y'all to hop in SPYI, right? This is an income ETF based on the S&P 500. Because let me go show y'all. Let's go look. Top 10 holdings, you can look what they got in there. Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Meta, Alphabet, Berkshire Hathaway, Tesla. All the stocks you want to hold, they got them in SPYI. And SPYI going to pay you 52 cents per month per share. All right? That's why I want y'all to do that. BTCI, this one right here, let's go look. They don't even got the top 10 holdings. But they only have like 13 holdings in there. But it's based off crypto assets, y'all. So we need to be buying this, getting that return, getting that dividend. You see what I'm saying? But that's why I want y'all to go get that SPYI, BTCI, and SPLG, right? Because all that's going to pay you. It's going to pay you like you needed to, family. And this is just a little video so y'all can get y'all mind right and start buying these assets. Every other week, you should be adding a new asset or adding to the assets you already got, family. I love y'all. Peace.